All right, guys, let's walk through one of the more famous cabins on my lot. This is the one we call the Big Bertha 3.0. Let's do a walkthrough. First things first, let's start on the outside and I'll take you inside. Let's get you some dimensions here. So, beautiful day out here. It's hot as you know what, but it's absolutely beautiful. So, I'm in Indiana, Scottsburg, Indiana. And this is the Big Bertha 3.0. Dimensions of this cabin is 14 by 46 on the first floor. And then of course you got to multiply that by 2 because it is a story and a half, as you can see over here. It's a story and a half cabin. You got 2 bedrooms up on the lofted area. And then the porch is a 6 foot by 46 foot front covered porch. Okay. Again, the options are yours, okay? So let's take you inside. So when you walk into the cabin here, first thing you'll see straight ahead is that goes to your back door, okay? And this is your living room area over here. This is your living room. And then over here is your steps to go up to the second floor. You got this window here where you can put like a little dining room nook, and then this beautiful galley kitchen here, which comes just the way you see it. Okay, everything is electric, not propane. It's electric Whirlpool stove. You got your General Electric Whirlpool microwave, 4-burner stove. You got your hot point dishwasher. And then you got your refrigerator, hot point refrigerator over there, which that's one of the smaller refrigerators, but the space is big enough to accommodate a regulation size refrigerator if you want. You got the window there at the end to allow all that natural light to come into it. Again, we got the dark floors, which I really like, and then the light walls to kind of make it feel open and airy in the cabin and give it some more space. You got the slow close cabinets, knotty pine, Amish built. And big old countertop. You got your little sink here, which of course we can make that bigger. Again, some people want a double, some people want a big old farm sink. All these are options that you can choose when you order your cabin. Okay, guys, so keep that in mind. You are not limited to what you see here. This is just a model on my lot. You'll also notice there's a door here for where your pantry is going to go. Put you a bunch of shelves there and load that up with all your kitchen goodies. And again, over here, you see we got one of these smaller refrigerators, but it's big enough to handle a big one. Again, with this just being a model, we didn't fully outfit it. Moving on. Okay, so let me just show you one more shot real quick of that beautiful galley kitchen. One of the things you'll notice too in this galley kitchen is instead of doing the tongue and groove knotty pine backsplash on the walls, we did all white walls on the back of the kitchen and where the little dining room table is going to be, and we did a white wall over here on this living room wall. Now, why would we do that? Well, we did that because inevitably every once in a while someone will call and say, hey, I love all that tongue and groove pine y'all got, but that's way too much wood for me. Can you break that up a little bit? Can you do some white walls or different color, pastel colors or whatever the case may be? So we wanted to show you guys, if you want to do smooth colors, we can do it with the birch plywood like what you see here. Or if you want to do all tongue and groove knotty pine, we can do that. Or we can do a combination of both. Okay. So we just did that to show you all that you do have options. See, we even got the ceiling with all the LED lights. We even got that with the tongue and groove pine. So again, we could do it any way you want, guys. One of the things I want y'all to take note of too when I walk through this cabin is the ceilings kind of look low when I walk through them because I'm a tall fella. Guys, I'm almost 6'7". I'm 6'6". 6'7". I'm 6'6". So when I walk through these cabins, these ceilings kind of look low, but they're not. I'm just irregularly tall. I'm Mr. Too Tall. I'm a tall cowboy. So keep that in mind when I'm walking through these cabins, that the ceilings ain't as low as what they look like on video. I'm just tall as you know what. Okay, so the wood burning stove, everybody asks about them. We do sell wood burning stoves. This particular stove is not included in the purchase of your cabin, but we do have a promotion going on right now where you do get a smaller wood burning stove, and it's got a little cook stove on it for free. As long as you mention this video, we'll include a free wood burning stove when you purchase one of these big Bertha cabins. Okay, so that's another promotion we got going on right now. Downstairs, there's a window here, okay, on this wall. And then downstairs, let me do the grand entrance here. You got this cool knotty pine door that goes to your downstairs bedroom. Now, with the big Bertha 1.0 and 2.0, with the 1.0 big Bertha, we don't have a bedroom downstairs. The 2.0 does. But what the 2.0 doesn't have that this 3.0 has is, you ready for it? Watch this. You got your downstairs bedroom and your own master bathroom in your master bedroom. How convenient is that? Let me go back this way because I got to backtrack a little bit. That goes upstairs. Behind this door here is your water heater. Okay, so you got a 40-gallon water heater over here. And remember, a lot of people are into the on-demand tankless water heaters now because they save up a lot of space, or because they like not waiting for hot water. So if you'd prefer to switch this out and get a on-demand water heater instead of this 40-gallon water heater, that's not a problem. We can do that as well. Okay, but that's what we got in this closet. And then that other door I showed you down there already was your pantry. And what do we have here? So here you got another pocket door. Let me close it and show you what this looks like. All right, guys, we got another one on the lot. Let's make a quick video. Brand new one on the lot. This is the one I call the Carrot Top Junior. You guys have seen the Carrot Top Senior. This is the Carrot Top Junior. Junior is a 12 by 24 Amish built rustic cabin with a 6 by 24 porch. This one is just $35,000. Built by the Amish. We ship them nationwide. Look how cool this one is. You guys are used to seeing the ones where we do the lighter brown color. This one is more of like a blackish brown. They stain it black, but as it soaks into the wood, it kind of fades in a little bit and becomes more like a dark brown. It's got the black roof on it and the black shutters. Super cute. Again, just $35K for this one here. We call the Carrot Top Junior. Okay, built by the Amish. We ship it nationwide. What y'all think about this color? Isn't that cool? I think that looks super cool. Go on inside and check this out. So when you walk inside, look to the left, open concept. It's like a studio, you know what I'm saying? You got your double pane, easy clean vinyl windows. And look how open it is. You got your beautiful knotty pine floors. And notice above me, there's a loft, okay? So you can set up the downstairs here as your living room area, right? And put a bed up top to go and sleep on, right? So you maximize the square footage, or you could have it set up where you got a bedroom down here and have a secondary bedroom upstairs if you got a couple of people that need to be, you know, have a spot to sleep. Look at the back of the door. Isn't that cool? Got that rustic look. And you got your little kitchenette area over here where you put you a fridge, stove, put you a sink right here. There's your window. Got your little cabinet ready to roll. Isn't that pretty? Again, built by the Amish. We ship it nationwide. This is the one we call the Carrot Top Junior. 12 by 24, only $35,000. We ship it nationwide. Now let me show you how this ladder works. It's gonna be complicated to do it with me holding the phone, but basically, you see how it's sitting on that little ledge? It comes down off of that ledge like this. I'm doing it with one arm here, see? I'm gonna straighten it up, but I had to do that with one arm because I'm holding the phone. And then it just kind of, let's see here. There we go. and just locks up like that. And just like that, you got access to go up to your sleeping loft up on the second floor. Okay? So put you a, that looks like it could easily fit. Let me go up there and see what kind of size bed we can fit up there. Oh yeah, we could probably easily put probably a full-size bed fit up there. Put you a full-size bed or a twin or a couple of twins. So pretty cool setup. So again, that's how you access that. And remember too, we could always bring that loft out more. So let's say you wanted this, instead of it stopping right here, you wanted the Amish to bring it out more this way. So maybe you want to get a king size mattress up there, we can do that as well. Remember, these are all made to order. So it ain't no thing but a chicken wing for us to make modifications to make it fit whatever you're trying to get done. You know what I'm saying? So just keep that in mind when you order yours. We can customize it to kind of fit your needs, okay? So again, remember too, you can also order this one where it's fully turnkey, where it'll come with electric, plumbing, heating, cooling, tubs, toilets, and sinks. If you did that, you'd be more around the 55K range. If you ordered this one fully turnkey, move-in ready, with all the electric, plumbing, heating, cooling, tubs, toilets, and sinks already in it, you'd be around the 55K range on this one here. Okay. Super cool cabin again. This is an all wood cabin. You see it, the walls are actually 4x6s. Let me take you outside again and show you that real quick. So you see how we got the wall set up here. So the walls are actually, see, you got these 4x6 timber stacked all the way up. And then you got that gray matter in between, that's called the chinking or log jam, and that's what seals the cabin. So it holds in your hot air when you're running your heat in the winter, and holds in your cold air when you're running your cooling and air conditioning in the summer. Okay, so that's how that works. Absolutely beautiful, guys. Comment below, let me know what y'all think about this one. I think it is stunning. Look at them beautiful handcrafted Amish built cabinets. Look at these steps. It goes up to the loft. This is a beautiful 3-bed, 2-bath cabin plus the loft, making it a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. You can also upgrade and add a bathroom in the loft area to make it a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. Beautiful structure, built by the Amish. We ship it nationwide. I love this 20-foot high ceiling. It just makes the whole place feel massive, you know? I'm a tall fella, so I love a high ceiling. I'm 6'6". So if you like what you see, give us a call at 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. Ask for OC. AmishBuiltCabins.com. Thank you for tuning in. Hit that like, share, and follow button, and please comment below. Let me know what y'all think about this one, because I think it is gorgeous, but I'd love to get some feedback from you guys, because my opinion don't matter. You guys' does. So let me know something, y'all. Y'all be blessed. Thanks for tuning in. Beautiful. 812-595-4033. That's my number. 812-595-4033. Y'all be blessed. Look at this. Huge 8-foot porch. Absolutely massive. Look at that, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Look at that porch. Huge porch. Let's take you inside here. As you can see, the porch is on a hinge system, so that's going to fold down for transportation. And all these railings are going to be taken out so we can transport this all over the country. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? Look at this craftsmanship, guys. Look at the craftsmanship. Absolutely beautiful. I mean, my goodness. Look at those stairs, guys. Wow. Wow. Talk about the dream cabin, right? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Got a spot under here for your doggy. I love my dog, little dog bone mat. Isn't that cute? No space is wasted here, guys. No space is wasted. Over here, okay, this will go, we put a back porch on here if you want. Let's open this up and see. Got a little back porch on it. Turn around, look at that. Got your cabinets, washer and dryer hookups right over here. Got your 200 amp electric already ready to roll. Got your electric ready to go there. Okay. Just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, that would put it to work.
And then over here you got a bathroom. We don't have it wired up, but you can see here. Okay, oh, got some electric. We do have it wired up. Perfect. There you go. So there's a, there you go. We got a little closet here. There you go. Isn't that cool? Isn't that beautiful? Look at the quality. Look at the craftsmanship, guys. Look at the quality and look at the craftsmanship. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Just beautiful. Just beautiful. Again, look at this. Look at these views, guys. Look at these views. Look at these views. Isn't that beautiful? Amish built furniture.
Top one is the office.
Isn't that beautiful? All kinds of natural light coming in. Okay.